Welcome to online school, class 9 English second paper. I am Mohammad Babul Mia, assistant English teacher, Nalova Section High School. Students, without delay, let's start our class. Students, let's see and guess. George Bernard Shaw was born in Dublin in 1856. His father's families had been small landowners in Ireland since the late 17th century. He was awarded Nobel Prize for Literature in November 1950. Students, which letter has been used in the first letter of the words George Bernard Shaw, Dublin, his, Ireland, he, Nobel Prize, November? Students, you must guess that capital letter has been used in the first letter of the words. Students, today's lesson's topic is capitalization. Please write down your lesson's title on your exercise book. Today's learning outcomes is that at the end of the lesson we will be able to say the definition of capitalization, identify capitalization, use capitalization. Students, let's know the definition of capitalization. What is capitalization? Capitalization means the method of using capital letter. Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. In this sentence, Dhaka is the first word. The first word of Dhaka of the sentence should be capital letter. Bangladesh is a proper noun. The first letter of all proper noun should be capital letter. We live in Dhaka. We is the first word of the sentence. We live in Dhaka. So the first letter of the word we of the sentence should be capital letter. Dhaka is a proper noun. The first word of all proper noun should be capital letter. It is an old city. The first word of the sentence is it. The first letter of the word it should be capital letter. Emperor Jahangir established this city. The first word of the sentence is emperor. The first letter of the word emperor of the sentence should be capital letter. Jahangir is a name of person. It should be capital letter. In these sentences, we applied method, so we can say that capitalization means the method of using capital letters. Students, capitalization 1. The fish curry looks appetizing. The first word of the sentence is the. According to the rule, the first letter of the word the should be capital letter. Capitalization 2. The music in my heart I bore long after it was heard no more. These two lines are those of English poems. The first letter of each sentence should be capital in all English poems. Capitalization 3. She is Julie and she likes American burgers. In this sentence, Julie is a proper noun and American is an proper adjective. The first letter of proper nouns and proper adjective must be capital letters. Capitalization 4. Students, look. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December are the name of month. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday are the name of day. First letter of the month and day must be capital letter. Capitalization 5. Our annual exam will be held on December. Annual exam is a term. Term means first term exam, second term exam, SSC exam, etc. The first letter of a term or exam will be capital letter. Students, we can see the picture of battle or O. The Battle of Palachi is a historical event. Historical event is independence war, language movement, France Revolution, etc. The first letter of historical event must be capital letter. Capitalization 8. O Allah, forgive me. In this sentence, O is interjection. Another example of interjection is alas, O, hooray, hi, hello, yahoo, wow, etc. Allah, God, Lord is the name of Creator. The pronoun of Creator will be capital letter. The pronoun of Creator is he, him, his. First letter of interjection and Allah, God and their pronoun will be capital letter. Capitalization 9. He is a BA. BA is abbreviation word. Abbreviation word is PHC, GHC, SHC, HHC, BA, MA, BHC, MHC, MBBS, etc. My dear mother, sir, in this portion, mother and sir is an addressing word. He said there is no alternative of mother in the earth. Here said is repeating verb. Repeating verb is said, asked, replied. After repeating verb, we use quotation mark. Abbreviation word, abbreviation letter, addressing word and first letter of quotation mark must be capital letter. Capitalization 10. We can see some pictures. The Quran is a holy book. Holy book means Quran, Bible, Tripitaka, Ramayana, Mahabharata, etc. The Daily Star is a newspaper. Another example of newspaper is Independent, Azad, Pratham Alo, Jugantar, Bangladesh Times, Bangladesh Observer, etc. In the third picture, we can see a hill. Another example of hill, Garu Hill, Manamuti Hill, Batali Hill, etc. In the fourth picture, we can see a river. River is Podda, Meghna, Jamuna, Buriganga, etc. Capital letter is used in the first letter of only any holy book, newspaper, hill, mountain, river, sea, etc. Capitalization 11. Gov Julie High School, Sonamganj, Australian China Business Council. Gov Julie High School, Sonamganj is a institution, and another example of institution is Australia China Business Council. First letter of any institution should be capital letter. Capitalization 12. Bengali literature, English for today, mathematics. First letter of any subject read in school and college should be capital letter. Students, look at the picture. It is a picture of ship. The ship is a Titanic. Students, another example of great ship, a symphony of the sea, seas of sevens, etc. Capital letter is used at the first letter of the word of a great ship. Students, we can see a train. Capital letter is used the first letter of word and express. Express means Bangladesh Railway, Mahanagar Express, Intercity, etc. Capitalization 15. The Muslims, Hindu, Christian, Buddhist are community. Islam, Christianity, Hinduism, Buddhism are the name of religion. Capital letter is used at the first letter of the word of community and religion. Students, the sun rises in the east. He passed his whole life in the east. Normally, a small letter is used as the first letter of the word north, east, south, west. But capital letter is used when they mean region. In the first sentence, the sun rises in the east. East means direction. But another sentence, he passed his whole life in the west. East. East means, in this sentence, east means region. Students, at this moment, I have discussed the use of capital letter. I hope that you have realized clearly. That's all for today. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.